Cagie Group, a stationery brand with craftsman's spirit. Established in 2011, Cagie Stationery has cultivating in the notebook industry for more than 10 years. With Brand Center is founded in 2019. Our business has entered a new stage. Our R&D center is located in Hangzhou, with manufacturing base and warehouse lies to Taizhou, Zhuozhou province. We are a high-end business stationery company integrating design, production, and sales. Our products cover high-class fashion business stationery, such as premium quality PU leather notebooks, planner journal notebook, loose leaf notebooks, lock diary password books, agendas, spiral notebook, cards, envelopes, card holders, handbook, clipboards, cutting mats, manager file, folders, memo pads, ballpoint pens, gel pens, pencil grips, canvas pencil bag, EVA pencil case, writing whiteboards, stickers, sticky notes, and other office and school stationery supply. Our notebook category has ranked first in domestic sales for 6 consecutive years, 2013 through 2018, in Tmall's annual Double 11 and Double 12 shopping festival. We are committed to providing clients with high-grade stationery products and services, improving people's work efficiency and optimizing people's record experience, aiming to personalize, customized services for enterprises, retailers, and distributors. We strive to focus on every stitch and thread of production, not only for the user's reputation, but also to pursue the perfection in the heart. What you forgot, we will remember for you. Cagie Stationery, your lifelong writing partner.